Hello everyone. After a long time, I'm back with a new video, which is Mojo. See, actually in Bangalore, BS6 Mojo got launched long time ago, but I wanted to do a video about this Mojo 300. Why? Because people don't know when selecting a bike which one exactly need to select. The thing is, if you consider Dominar 400 and even Honda CB300 and even many series in 300 and 350 series, but in that mainly I am just comparing with Mojo 300 and even Dominar 400 and even Duke 200 or 390 also. But it's okay, it has depends on like ride comfort and other things, riding style, everything. Every bike has its own value. But Mojo, for whoever is a cruisers, whoever want a best cruiser bike, they can go to Mojo and they can select Mojo. So I'll show you which are all the BS6 variants are available. Today I'm at Mojo showroom at Jayanagar. So I'll add all the details of this showroom in the description. So you guys go and check in the description. And if you guys need any details about this, you can take it from description box and you can just call them. They will help you. So let's enter inside the showroom. Then after I'll explain you guys what are the color available and what is the change in the new BS6 Mojo. There's a person in this showroom, so we'll ask to him all the information about this bike and even which all the variants are got launched and even how about the feel and everything. He has completed lots of ride on this bike and he has lots of experience on this bike. Mr. Girish, so relationship manager of Synergy Mahindra Mojo showroom, Jayanagar 5th floor.
Hi Vivek, I'm a relationship manager of Synergy Mahindra two-wheelers. So I know the BS3 and BS4 and BS6. So now it is BS3 before there's no ABS in that version. Then BS4, they come with the ABS version. Then BS6 completely, they reduce the carbon levels, they're increasing the fuel consumption and they're changing the color patterns now. Now all come with the dual colors, trouble-free vehicles, zero complaint vehicles are they introducing. The exhaust, why they are removing because the cost was increasing. Cost for dual channel ABS, dual exhaust plus inverter shocks. Again the ABS to give it to the vehicle cost will come to more than Karnataka tax and central tax is very high. It will cost come to 3,30,000 to 3,40,000. That's the reason single cylinder engine really required only single exhaust, not required dual exhaust. Then reduce one silencer, then front, why they remove inverter shocks? Because of in the city, in city you can't ride because it's too heavy in the front. You can, that fork will be suited for long rides only, inverter shocks. Then they reduce the telescopic, changing the telescopic suspension. Now it is easy to drive city stretch as well as long stretch. Then the exhaust note, the same exhaust note they are maintaining. Then consumption also increased. The price because of taxes of Karnataka taxes is very high compared to other state taxes. That's it. Anything we have to tell?
So any specific change?
Yeah, we are introducing 4 colors.
Okay.
One is black parallel. Then is next one is renegade.
So this is renegade.
Not renegade. That is ruby red.
Okay, this is ruby red.
Renegade we have a don't have stock right now. Same only the color with black with white. Renegade.
Yeah, actually I'll add a photo also.
That is this what we showing. Okay. Then this is the color black. This one.
Okay.
Pardon?
Renegade.
No, that is renegade.
Okay.
Renegade is not there in the stock.
Okay, so that is ruby red, right?
Ruby red.
Okay.
And they also come with the black with white.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then black parallel. This is the black parallel color. This
okay.
One. Then one more color is there. I tell you. There is garnet black.
Garnet black. This model is garnet black. Okay, so what all the major changes happen on this compared to the BS3? Like people know that okay, exhaust when like when they suddenly see the bike itself, they will say that okay, upside down fork is got changed and even it moved to single silencer. Okay, but the tire, in case of tire, we have available for the Pirelli and even for MRF also.
Yeah, black parallel. Why is it given? Because the cost cutting.
Okay.
People are thinking they have a like the Mojo. So the price, so many people they're bargaining. So too much a cost, 260, 270. They're thinking like that. Then that type of people are buying my MRF tires.
And many people
15,000 less.
Okay. And many people doesn't know that the seat height, actually the seat width is got changed and the length of the seat is got changed.
Yeah. Before the Mojo BS3, BS3 Mojo with come the sport seats.
Okay.
No, not wider seats. Sport seats is coming. So many people coming with the family people, they ask for the no sitting is not proper in the back sitting. Only the front person he can sit it. Then family people doesn't like Mojos. Only the youngsters are liking. So young generation are liking BS3 Mojos. Then company is thinking they're increasing the chassis, bigger chassis, then length given and side seats also given, broader seats. Then easily sit. Your family like anybody you can sit. Family plus youngsters also can ride now easily. So seat was the broader seats now. Yeah.
This is the size of the seat. Actually, I can say that this seat is a very cushioned and even very comfortable
cushioned,
also.
Very comfortable. No one bike is matching this type of seats.
Yeah.
And completely refined engine braking system is there in the vehicle. While top speeds also you can control with the brakes only. Suddenly you can stop. The vehicle easily can stop, not as to braking. Only the brake, change the gears, the vehicle will be stopped immediately. That is a special in Mojo. And you have a date, time, trip meter, odometer, clock, 0 to 100 racing. The options are there inside the meter. Now it is showing once the fuel coming to reserve level, the showing the lighting. Before is not there. Now it is showing lights.
Okay, that is a change.
BS4 and BS6 completely same only. The inside that is this one emission norms. Government is changing the emission norms. The percentage of the carbon reduces. Before is a 80-60 ratio. Now it is another 70-40 ratio. They are reducing the carbon levels.
Okay,
that will be not affected the people.
Okay, and even I have seen that the oxy sensor is got moved inside because it was odd looking also. In the BS4 it was outside, but now it is completely moved to inside that.
Yes. That is the inside is there. That
yeah, now we can't even completely cover.
Yeah. That is a sensor is there, no?
Yeah.
Sensor will be completely covered.
There is no.
Before it is open, now it is closed.
Now it is closed, so it looks good.
Safety.
Yeah, safety purpose it is very good.
Yeah. There's a completely compared to BS3 and BS4 what are the complaints is there? Minor complaints, they completely rectified. Now it is BS6, one of the best bike. Only the thinking is government taxes is very high. The 45,000 rupees Karnataka state tax, road tax, and 45,000 rupees central tax, 12,000 rupees insurance. It will go to, example, 2,70,000 the vehicle cost, 1 lakh will go to the government only. Insurance and government.
Okay.
State and central. It will cost only 170 we are given the vehicle.
Okay. If somebody wanted to, like majorly people will think about the Mojo exhaust. If somebody wanted to change the exhaust single to double, what all the things need to be changed and what may be the cost of it?
Single to double silencer we can fix it. We have to ECU we have to set it. We have to divert to the power. The both the silencer exhaust we have to divert it. That will be cost approximately between 25 to 30,000.
25 to, so in entire India the same cost will be for the parts. Okay, fine. So what are all the accessories we can fit on Mojo? Because I have seen many Mojos with some DRL lights and all. So can you explain that?
Yeah. See, Mojo have accessories like DRL lights front. These come light. In night time, when you switch on, no, it's looks like catching the eyes. It's a V-shaped light will come with the lights. Okay, it's completely look glassy. In the night time, it's shining in the front portion. The second thing, crash guard means called as a leg guard. Leg guard will come here. The second item.
Okay.
Third item, magnetic tank bags.
Okay.
That you can use as a bag, whenever you can fix it easily. This is a magnet will come that easily they catch it.
Yeah, and what is the tank capacity of this bike now?
21 liters.
20. The same as like
any other bike. Huge tank, 21 liter tank. 21 liter tank.
Okay,
no
we
one
don't-
bike is in till date is not.
Yeah, if somebody has Mojo, we don't want to think about extra carrying like. So that space also we can occupy for luggages and all.
Then you have to go to long touring or you use to the touring items like saddle carrier and saddle bag also is coming.
Okay.
Okay, saddle support. the
Okay.
back. Who are sitting in the back will hinder because it's so powerful engine. So the support will come to back.
Yeah, so the backrest we can add it. So what will be the price of this on-road price and even the ex-showroom price of these three variants, and even what is it loan facility available? Can you explain that details?
Yeah, black parallel only is because of tires cost cutting. The price 1,99,000 is the ex-showroom rate. On road, it will cost come to including tax, registration, insurance, 2,56,000. The next all three models like next model is Garnet Black. Garnet Black with the MRF tire, same black color only because the chassis is given the dual color. Compared to black and red combination we are given. Granite Black, that is the special interest. That cost will come to 2,64,000. Next, another two colors like Red Agate and this one Ruby Red. That is both the colors, it will cost come to another 5,000 rupees more, 2,69,750, almost 270. You believe it or not, I delivered more than December 31st before 8 vehicles. I take a booking and delivered this month only. So because people are taking 2021 registration, bank will be funding HDFC maximum 95% of funding. In 2,70,000, customer is given only 20 to 30,000 rupees down payment. I rent for the loan like that. Tenor, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, up to 5 years we are funding. That is a special for the Mojo financing from the HDFC.
Okay, thanks for the information also, because most of the people don't reveal that
Yeah.
information. That will be very useful. Wow. Just wow, we can't say anything more than that. The blue color display, and even like whenever it is in different RPM, right, it's high like anything. So it has a neutral indicator, and this is a high beam indicator, high beam and low beam indicator. Then after ABS switch, because this bike is in showroom, so that's why ABS is blinking. And even the RPM, now it is around 1.5k RPM. So like that's why this red color, then it will go like blue, then again it is so much beautiful actually. Then after it has a speedometer, and even it has a timing and even petrol indicator. Then after, so what is the speed, it goes like 0 to 100, how much time it takes, that details also completely. Then after this, the RPM like limit indicator. Then many things are, even the race mode also we can enable in this bike. And so let's just listen the exhaust note of this bike. Even if it is a single silencer, but it gives a very high sound. And even this gives a lots of road presence also. So all the indicators are halogen, and even the brake lights are LED. Then the front lights also. Front lights is also halogen. But if somebody wanted to customize, they can customize. But I felt this bike, it is more than enough. This is the overall look of this bike. So guys, I hope you got all the information about Mojo. So guys, from my experience also from Mojo, I know this is the best bike for cruising, whoever want to do cruising, and even for the city ride also. Now I felt after launching BS6 Mojo, because they have replaced the front fork, because of the fork itself, no, we have lots of weight is got completely like lost from front part, so easily we can handle the handlebars
City
and all.
drives.
Yeah, so city drives will be very easy. Even I'm also thinking to go with the Mojo. You guys can take the number and even the showroom details, everything in my description box. Then after you can call Girish and he will explain you all details about this bike. He will be always there for your support. Okay, thank you guys. If you guys didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like it, then after share it to other guys. If somebody wanted to take Mojo, or if someone goes for taking a 300 or 400 series bike, just tell them to take a test drive, then after see what is the power of Mojo, then after let them go and take the other bike test drive. I'm 100% saying that this is a pure cruiser and pure city rider also.